Hey everyone! In this video we will drive through the Scottish Highlands. The Highlands is the most scenic area consisting of mountains, rivers, creeks, seas, and forests. Scottish Highlands is one of the most beautiful, naturally good-looking tourist destinations around the globe. Every year, more than 2 million visitors are visiting the scenic beauty and spend about 3 billion British pounds. In general, Scotland's diverse landscapes consist of dramatic mountains and glens, forests and moorlands, and a highly indented coastline fragmented into a diverse range of islands that enrich northern and western shores. There are also rolling lowlands, fertile straits, broad estuaries, and settlements. One can cherish colorful landscape during pre-winter months like September and October. If you plan to tour in the UK, then we would recommend you to plan for a week for Scotland alone, and it is highly recommended to take a self-driving car to enjoy the full beauty of this land at an affordable cost. One must have really good driving skills as the roads are normally narrower but very well maintained. It is thrilling to drive around this naturally beautiful landscape. You can always see grazing lands occupied by cattle and sheep. Even in the night, they keep grazing. For more information about self-driving cars, please watch out for our exclusive video on this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.